Good morning. So now chess Olympiad celebration is going on in Tamil Nadu capital Chennai near Mahabalipuram, historical place, monumental place, archaeological place. Before that, I would like to share my participation in chess game. See, when we were young, fourth or fifth standard students, my father brought a chess board and told us that this is the most important game every students are must play. So he taught us how to play. Then finally, when we collectively, brothers and sisters, played chess, we defeated our father, and he was proud of that. Our enthusiastic approach in learning the chess game. Thereafter, what happened? Because of poor family, there was no chance of playing chess except in house. And my mother used to uh, keep the ferment old rice, water rice, when we are playing chess, and without having any side dish, we used to take much of rice because we are interested in chess game. Then up to college, when we went to Pachapas College, I continuously won the chess runners up, final 1974 also runners up. Then I have been selected for central government service. There, under 200 candidates were under training at Vadodara, Gujarat, Baroda. There, there were 5 state candidates: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Goa, and Gujarat. So I stood runner up, and I was winner of carom singles and doubles, whatnot. So that is for your information. But before that, I would like to share that the international chess game is something different. It is deviated from our national game. National chess game is being played in North India. It will took much of time and also concentration. So the international people changed the rules for point system. Here, actually, what is different from international chess and national chess game was that in international chess, a pawn can move 2 steps ahead initially, but in national game only 1 step is permitted. The another vital important condition for national game was that if any coin means pawn, rook, bishop, horse, queen, if you have support of other coin, you cannot defeat that coin. I think you understand. And if the support is only from the king, then you can attack that coin. Coin means that pawn, whatever it may be. So when we start to play, almost all, see 32 coins, out of 32 coins on the board, even if 24 coins are remain, still you can win the game because of intelligence. That is national game. But they are these people of international, because they have regulated their own scheme, and the Tamil people who won the chess, they dominated the chess field still now, so that preventing others from coming up in this international chess game. For that reason only, they have not changed the rules, and slow by slow, they only mechanized in a different way that one should undergo training to play chess game. This is what happening. Okay, forget about that. I have got another important case, most important case for personal reasons of every advocate as a human being and those who are practicing. This is called doctor's negligence. See, doctor's negligence have been decided by Jacob Matthew, Paramananda Katara, and what not. So many cases Supreme Court already held. For Jacob Matthew case, they said there should be second opinion. Now here AR 2022 Supreme Court 2643 Harneek Singh versus Gurmeet Singh. In this case, what all are the procedure they have followed is most important. Therefore, this is three members judge, including Chief Justice, including Uday Umesh Lalit. This judgment was delivered on 18/5/2022. See, the aggrieved person first lodged a complaint before the state consumer forum, then he went to National Consumer Forum, from there he went to Supreme Court. Apart from that, he went to Medical Council of State initially. Since there was no proper result, then he went to MCI, Medical Council of India, on appeal. During that appeal, Medical Council of India called for the report, and that report was not looked into by the National Commission. Therefore, Supreme Court has heavily come down and discussed the judgment elaborately. Those who are really wanted to know what all are the procedures to diagnose and to fix a date for appointment, here the doctor seems to have postponed the operations on one or other reasons which were not legally tenable. Therefore, you go through the judgment instead of reading those things. It's maybe a high medical terms. And finally, the Supreme Court directed to pay 25 lakhs and setting aside the National Commission's order because they have not gone into the MCA report. So, what all are the steps to be taken to initiate action against the doctors or hospitals for medical negligence? This judgment will be landmark judgment, and you can understand the procedure how to follow before initiating the complaint. I hope you understand this. Actually, what happens, some hospitals are indirect and illegal, indirect and unwritten contract with some other doctors to whom they propose to hand over this operation to be conducted. Only since he may not be available, these doctors and subordinates used to nag one or other reasons and delay the operation. This resulted this case be decided against the power of the doctors. I will read it. Medical negligence, compensation, death by negligence of doctor in performance of surgery. Medical Council of India in its report opined that doctor failed to exercise adequate medical competence in treating the patient. There was a large bowel perforation after a laparoscopic operation. Finding of MCA and conduct of doctor proved that the cases of medical negligence leading to deficiency in service. National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission did not even refer to report of MCA. NCDRC, National Commission Dispute Redressal Commission, except referring to judicial precedents on question of medical negligence, did not attempt to draw its conclusion from the oral and documentary evidence available on record. Order of NCDRC holding that no negligence was proved set aside. Complaints entitled to compensation on the ground of deficiency in service. This was the judgment. The patient seems to have died on 11/8/2004 after being strained much, and those who were really interested in understanding what is the problems of the elders man, kindly go through this from paragraph 5, paragraph 4, paragraph 3, continuously up to para 9, where patient seems to have died. To understand what all are the methods to be followed when some complaints of bowel treatment, belly disturbances, stomach pain and intestine pain, so many things are there. After attaining one particular age, the aged persons may suffer a lot. I hope you understand. Best wishes.